What's up, guys? This is basically coming to you live again. So, welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification button. So, today I'm going to talk about the the pink seal bots that I discussed about in this past video. So, and my personal strategy and what I use to make 50x. There are many questions that many of you asked about these bots that I want to give answers to. So, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification button, and join us in our community to get more of this content. So let's get business straight up. So in the past, I talked about the pink seal pre-sale bots and how I use it, my strategy on making money with this. So, and from the comment I read on my channel here, I saw some comment already. I appreciate your comment and how you appreciated this content. But some people that I saw their comments, like this comment here from Random Up Tuesday, commented that Hyper Cardano just rock pulled him and had a locked liquidity, like the way I said in the first video. When it went back to the pink seal, it shows that it is totally unlocked. Now, these are the signs that you need to watch out for. I will answer this one first. Another one says that the link I provided to my to the link I provided to the group to this video takes me into my personal announcements channel and not my bot. Well, I will answer that also. Now, first of all, I told that this is a Telegram bot here. As you can see, this is a Telegram bot, and I think after I made the video, it was 11,000 people. Close to 5,000 people have joined and they are using this bot and they are joining it. And I told you that this is a Telegram bot here. What it does is that it gives you a notification anytime anybody is listing their coin for pre-sale on Pink Coin and Pink Seal Finance. And this is Pink Seal Finance website. Pink Seal Finance, which I've clearly stated, and I'm still going to show you again. This is the website that you are seeing here. This is the Pink Seal website you are seeing here. And what it does is that it gives you the notification on the projects that is being launched on Pink Seal. Now this is what you do. Now secondly, about the person that talked to me about here, the bots were pulled. I said that when the liquidity is locked. Now what I said in that video was I said liquidity lock time is 180 days. Now understand that Pixel itself would get information from the people that went ahead to register it and they will confirm to them. So what Pinking can only do for you is to control what will happen on a platform, which is far more better than DSL and compared to DSL and compared to Uniscript. PinkSeal does not really allow people to any developer to take away your money except after the developer has gone ahead and click on release. Means it is out of their hands. You get what I'm saying? They are just like a middleman between you being the one that is installing the pixel and the developer that is bringing the pixel to you. So that's the first thing to know. Secondly, the third thing I told you about was that I don't always engage any token that has a name of a popular coin or has a coin that has already done well. For example, like the coin I'm watching here, this is Feed Coin. This is Feed Coin Exchange. Now, one everything I told you at the identity in that video is that what you should understand is that if shortcoin exists, it is just for ideal for you to just go ahead to bscscan.com and search on that type of coin. Search on it. Feel. Now watch out if the coin is already a listed coin. For example, this is Feed token. And once you get ahead and check on flip token, compare a popular coin like this. You see, the coin has what 6,444,000 uh, thousand addresses that have used this. Means this is a very popular token, which means what it's a very known token, and you can see already that this now it's very ideal for you to just go ahead and copy this. Go to Bookcoin app. When you go to Bookcoin app, these are some of the little strategy that you can just use for yourself and avoid being uppulled. Maybe probably like you might not be aware of free token before, but probably because I'm aware of that, yeah, I would probably do what? I would go ahead and check. But if you're not aware of it, do the what I'm literally doing right now. Take Go to BSC scan, check for short coin that existed, check if there was a name of a coin that has that before, and if it's a popular coin. Then go ahead and copy that link of that coin, even the one that you have seen that is there. Copy it and click on it. Now, one of the things that you'll be seeing is that this Bitcoin app gives you the the data, the data and the information that you need to know about the coin. For example, you you have the coin that looks like this. Definitely, you know that this coin has already moved and already is even dumping. Now, somebody is already now saying the same thing here, like okay, information, and on this itself, they are supposed to provide um, the link to the website. And you're seeing this here. See what the coin is doing. This is what this token that looks like this. According to, I'm comparing this with this particular one I'm seeing here. Before I put my money in the, I'm comparing it. I'm seeing Feed Coin Exchange, FeedX, and I'm seeing this. Okay, this is what the website is. This is what the coin is talking about. This is what the coin that I've said that looks like it is what. And after I'm aware of this and I've checked the website of this one, I'll go ahead and go to the Telegram group of this one that I'm seeing here to know what exactly is their aim and what they are really going to. For example, you are seeing that the word best for profit exchange and blockchain and charity. Compare this with what is it here? You can see that this is what is the prototype of the same coin. This is the famous one and it has already launched and it has already moved and it has gone down. And another person is now saying he's going to do another pre-sale because from what I'm seeing here, the person just listed it just how many hours ago you are seeing here. And the chart you are seeing already on this platform, this one here, on the Pokemon, you can see that this is daily chart. You can see that the numbers of days this coin have existed, this particular coin has existed. It has existed for days. So it tells you that this particular coin is fake. They have the same concept. They have almost the same name. Unless it is the developer that wants to relaunch the coin you are seeing over here. So this I will not invest in it. One, they are trying to do the same thing that Icon has done previously before. Let's try to copy this and check what they are saying on this one too, on this website. See this one I sensing. It does not mean because they probably put in different name, put different websites. It's easy. This website that will probably cost the person just $500 or $1,000, and they are done. It's a simple website, one page website. See, just see, look at it. See, look at it. You can see what I'm saying. You can see what I'm saying here. It's almost like the that they just paid for $200 or $500 to do, or 500 you just do it. This is it does not matter. So you are not going to invest in this type of coin. Get that is clear. You will not invest in that coin once the coin is has a similar coin, it has a similar name before, a coin that has done that before, and they have the same concept, do not invest on that. Another thing I need to let you know is that yes, if that has maybe the coin you found it does not has the same name, it does not have a new name. Now, maybe you now got to the point that okay, you are the new is a new concept, and uh this the token address is there. There are two tools I use to check some things. I use I use two websites to check for onion pots, and I use another website to check for work pool. I will show you the coins. I will show you the website right now. First of all, I use this website honeypot.is. And when I click on this honeypot.is, simple what I need to do is just to paste the token, the account address. Just want to paste the contract address. Okay, let me copy it. Let me copy it. Let me go ahead and copy it well. Let me make sure I'm not doing any mistake here. Okay. This particular this particular uh this particular token gives me that chance to go ahead and let me try to copy this one. Let me go ahead and copy this. I could have shown you some strategy I use on this one too. But let me go ahead and copy this and use this website. It's very simple. Just copy it and paste it. Now, what does this does is that you see, you honeypot run the fuck away. This just gave me every information about that token that I need to know about it. You don't need once this one give me most time this one's creation is not almost that really call but if it's giving you any red flag like this, don't buy it. Don't buy it. There's no need of buying it. There's no need of buying those coin. It has it says you see what that insufficient liquidity. You see, it's almost like that. It's a honeypot. And another website uses rug checker. It's called coinalpha.app.rug checker. I'll put the information button there. Copy the same thing here. There's you. What are you seeing here? It's already giving a red flag. You see, this is not connected. It tells you what you should expect from this coin. One order is already having it. There's this numbers of one and what again? Okay. Now, if that's two way and get on. Another way to continue to check what is happening is to go to contract. Now, if you go to contract, anytime you see something like this, okay, if you see any compiler that is less than 0.81, that's number one. Number one way of knowing that this is another pool. All that is very clear. You don't. That's the one I want to know. That's one pool. And the last set of people were asking me a question like, what about if a coin they made the coin and they said it is only for whitelist? The meaning of whitelist means that they have selected some people, some wallet address that they want them to purchase the token. For example, you go to the website here, pink So let me try to check if I'll see whitelist token or something like that. They have selected some certain number of token. You see, you saw maybe yeah, so you saw whitelist that is only whitelisted that is allowed. They have selected some wallet address that can only purchase that token on the pre-sale and can now after maybe those people could not really fill their soft cap, their hard cap. There's even between hard cap and soft cap. A soft cap means that that's the least they must raise before PINC will allow them to take the liquidity you provided. That's your BNB and add it to the to that smart contract. Hard cap is the maximum. If those whitelisted people cannot fill the fill the what they call it, fill the soft cap or could not fill it, the developer can decide to open it for people on public sale. On what? On public sale. That's very clear because what Pincon uses is that they use the time, the pre-sale start time and the end time to measure when you can, when those developers can decide to raise enough. If they could not raise the soft cap, Pinkyo will close down the pre-sale. Exactly. It is they are going to close down the pre-sale. And another set of questions you might be asking yourself also for this strategy is that I told you before that this number of things. For example, okay, let me the group now. A group like this, if you see any group that has from 5,000 to 5,000 below, there is higher chances that the group will work pool, or if it does not work pool, it will give you enough money. There is higher chances once you see less than 5,000. The reason why I'm saying this is because myself, I'm aware that you can actually pay developers to help you to to bring in botted members. The reason why they do botted members is to make sure that people believe in their projects. Another is, for example, now, hello guys, nice project. The person is not saying anything since morning. Look at what he's saying. Look at the chat. It's not as if it looks as if nobody is really talking like that. Someone just came in and said, "Hello guys, nice project. Please, who can I DM for my post?" I probably one of those guys that really talk about those things. Be watching out for those things. Less than 5,000 members. It has higher chances of work pulling. If those guys are not paying for the members, understand that okay, they're not paying for members. But if there's less members on that platform, with a small number, there is higher chances to work pool. And it does not work pool. It will give you a lot of money because when they release their marketing, you will have chance as a pre-seller to get more chance because of the numbers of members at the beginning of the token. Another one I need to understand is that if the coin is a low market cap in the sense that how much are they trying to their hard cap is. For example, compare this 500 and 150. This is 150 here. There's a low market cap, and after you research on it, it has some high number like let's say 7,000 to 8,000 members. Understand that that token has lesser chances of pulling. lesser chance, a little bit lesser chance. I come again. It has a little lesser chance. And if it has now has a use case, gives you the chance that okay, this is almost just like trying to waste just trying to raise some liquidity. They are going to do a lot of marketing later on. You will be seeing they be talking about a lot of marketing. And another thing is that if you go to a voice chat on a token, on any token, and you are there, and you are the developer is not even talking, or he has not done his KYC that is not showing his face, or you cannot see his identity. Because and you need to understand that nowadays they have gone to the advanced level of recruiting people, recruiting people to talk for them, like recruiting admins to talk for them on the voice chat. And when you be asking, you be saying the developer does not understand English. I know some of you have heard that conversation. The developer does not understand English, or the developer is busy, he does not talk that much. Those are the signs you should be watching out for. And you should just be trying to what to mind yourself and try to avoid some of those people. Avoid them. Avoid some of those people. Avoid some of those people. Project like I cannot talk, the developer cannot talk, or the developer does not really talk. It's that he has recruited the admin, which they can actually do. Or there are a lot of things, there are a lot of things they can recruit people, they can make sure that they actually recruit a few that will be talking. They can actually also make sure that people that has a large amount of this token in their hands will be the ones that will be becoming their lead because they joined earlier. Another thing I need to also make you understand is that in case you found a coin that has something like maybe close to 1,000 BNB as a thousand, like they make the soft cap is like 500, 400, 300 to 1,000, and it has a lot of hype, like it's having like 10,000, 15,000 members, and it's having a use case, then the chances of it work pulling is 30 to 7, is 3 over 7 or 2 over 9. The chances of it will work pulling means it has lesser chances of work pulling because it has use cases, it has a lot of numbers of members, it's having high cap, and like I'm talking about ad cap, and it has a decent use cases. It is having lesser chances of it or is more on there. And the best bet I can always tell you, most time I can always tell you, I'll tell you the honest truth, is that I have consciously created a group that I try as much as possible, many several times, to make sure that you get some pre-sale, some shit coin that I myself got to research about and post. I believe would give you what some x, some 5x, 2x. These are the ones myself I believe in, and these are the one I will say you should what you should join and invest your money in. This is my shitcoin BSCGL. This is a totally different from what the group that I'm in, and it's always in my description button. So go ahead and check it there. These are the ones I believe in, and I would only recommend to anybody. That's what I know. That's what I know. The bot itself only does one thing for you. Gives you what the notification. As you can see, it's already a notification. It is for you to judge. Okay, this is an example for you to judge. 1,500. Okay, Telegram group. Let's check. 230, 200 and 32 old group deleted. Okay, let's see the website. Let's see the website. I'm trying that I'm making sure that we are practical about this. That's what I'm saying. I'm really practicalizing it in front of you to see it. Let's go. Let's check the website. Do they have a website? Let's check here. Two addresses. Okay. They don't have a website. And they say that the old group has listed. Let me copy this and put it in the website I showed you before. Yeah, you see. That is insufficient liquidity. Because they are still on they still have their liquidity on Pinksil. Let me see. What again? Now we joined the Telegram group already. We are seeing that it's just 204 people. Okay. And how many members am I seeing here? Now this one looks really legit. But I'm not seeing the website yet. So before I will even invest my money in this one, I need to see the website. But how do I know that they would be able to invest 1000 BNB? 1000 BNB. You see, it says you're supposed to launch pre today at 6 p.m. But unfortunately, we encountered some problem. Our code got deleted at 400 members. So how do we, so now we have to start with a new group. New group. This spelling is an issue. We'll do it again if you had to. Look at members and stuff. This one you just have to be watching on there. That's what I'll tell you. You just watching. You need to see their website. First of all, you need to see the website. You need to check again. Okay, let's check. I told you about the name. Let's check for the name. Flocky Estates. Let's check for the name. Flocky Estates. Flocky Real Estates. Okay. No token is about that has that. Token that has that. Okay, let me also check on Poocoin here. Okay. It means it has something to watch out for, but I'm still worried about the Telegram members. It's only 204 at this time of making this video. So this one you just have to be watching out for them. And one needs to see their website. Two, you need to let them show you evidence that they have worked before. Three, you need until they make until they make their voice chat, do not invest in this. Until you see their voice chats and you are listening to the developer himself and you are listening to what they are saying there. Do not just throw your money in it. But from what I'm seeing here, from what I told you before, they have they have a 1000 BNB, 500 BNB, soft cap, there's a contribution of 0.5. I'm wondering why that, but that means that you are still early on this. Liquidity of 70%, so liquidity of 7%. Let's see. Okay, this is the website they talk about. Let's go ahead and check the website. Hmm. Okay, this is a roadmap. Banking structures, sale and launch, Telegram members 1000, social media creation, audits, what again there are EC listening, uh, NFT black marketplace, cloud reporting, construction. This looks too common for me, and it's not that unique for me. To me, it's not that unique. The wildlife and the what do I call it? This does not really look too much on me, but since it's a pre-sale and I want to cash in some 5 10 10x with 0.05, they are talking about 0.05 minimum pre-sale amount. 0.05, it's not bad. So this one I probably will watch out. I'll just join the Telegram group and watching out on them. So what's what you need to check? Okay, let's check if it's on white list. I didn't need to do white list because the 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 process is in 16 hours. And how do they get 1000 kpl BNB in 16 hours? How would they get numbers? Are they going to bot? Are they going to bot the Telegram group? That's one. That's a very critical question that you need to ask them. That's a critical question. In case you want to invest in this, that's a critical question you need to ask them. Yeah, it's not white list. It's public sale. So this is how I do it and many other things. So please, I thank you for the video. Join us in our community. And I told you before, that's what I've showed you the Telegram page, the Telegram group that I created for short stuff that if in case you want to get shitcoin, I go and join this for free. It's in the description button. And also join us in our community, just in our WhatsApp group, join us in our ESCO group. If you're in Nigeria, join us on ESCO group if you want to sell and produce a coin. So thank you, peace out, and see you again. God bless you.